This is my cheapest, healthiest go-to snack for losing weight. This snack is easy to prepare, packed with protein, low in carbs and fat, and is very cheap. Let's get into it. And for the very first time on this channel, I have invited my wife to help me out with preparing this snack. Say hi, boo. Alright, so first up we have the deli sliced buffalo chicken. That's our first ingredient. This has 1 gram of fat, 1 gram of carbs, and 12 grams of protein within 3 slices of chicken. Okay, boo, so first up we just need 2 slices of the deli chicken, if you don't mind. Oh, awesome. Very good, very good. 1 more slice, please. Oh, great. You're doing a great job. Yeah, almost got it. Almost got it. Oh, look at that. You're just doing a look at, oh man. It's like you've done this a million times already. Wow, just even it out. Okay. You know, that's fine. You can leave it like that. You can leave it like that. That's fine. You don't have to keep going. It's fine. We got it. Thank you, boo. You're doing an amazing job. Amazing job. Thank you so much. Did I mention that you are absolutely beautiful? You are stunning. I'm sorry I haven't said it before, but you are stunning, and I'm so happy to have you here helping me out today. Alright, so the next ingredient we have up is the light string cheese. This has 2.5 grams of fat, 1 gram of carbs, and 6 grams of protein. That's all within 1 cheese stick. Alrighty, so now all we need is our cheese stick. Can you help us out, boo? Fabulous. Great. Alright, can you help us open that bad boy up? We're going to need that opened, actually. Yeah, you just need to split the plastic at the top. Yeah, just need to get it. There you go. You're right there. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got it. You're so close. Almost there. Yeah, almost got it. Oh, like so warm. Like just right. You're right there. You got it. So okay. Sorry, boo. You got it. Hey, it's all good, boo. That cheese stick deserved it. It was being stubborn and defiant. I got you. I already have a cheese stick prepared, and in fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and take over from here. You know, my wife has done an amazing job. I appreciate her so much. Thank you so much, boo, for helping me out with this. I appreciate it. You've done an amazing job, a bang-up job. A round of applause, everyone, for my wife for helping out. Appreciate everything you've done. Thank you so much. Now that we have our cheese stick on top of our deli chicken slices, we can go ahead and add seasoning to really set this thing off. Now I choose to use a 50-50 cracked black pepper and sea salt mixture that my lovely wife prepares for us, but you can use whatever suits your taste. Just stay away from the mayonnaise.
Alrighty, so now all we have to do is season it to taste.
So now that we have the chicken roll-up seasoned to taste, we just need to wrap the chicken around the cheese and enjoy. Voila. Delicious. This snack has 13 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fat. It's quick, delicious, and easy. It's my go-to snack for losing weight. And for those of you who get the bubble guts off of dairy, I do have a substitution for you. I haven't forgotten about you. You can substitute eating it here for eating it here.